How to deactivate Instagram account twice a week. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account twice a week, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, now you need to simply go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right, which has that three bat icon. Go for settings and privacy, go for account center, and then go for the profiles, or you can simply go for personal details, and under personal details go for account ownership and control, and go for deactivation or deletion, and then choose your Instagram. And now let me tell you one thing, that if you want to deactivate your Instagram account twice a week, then it's not possible. But what you need to do is first tap on delete account instead of deactivating your account, and then tap on continue. And once you've deleted your account, it might say that it is permanent, but Instagram will not delete your account immediately. It might take 1 month. So you need to first delete your account, and once you've deleted your account, you need to again log back into your account. And once you've logged in, now you can again go with the same process, and you can try to deactivate your account, and your account will be deactivated. So if you want to deactivate twice on Instagram, then first you need to delete your account and then log in, and then again go for the deactivation page and then deactivate. So that's the only way to deactivate your Instagram account twice a week. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.